What happens when an old-school diesel-powered BMW M4, loaded with Nitrous, lines up against the modern G82 BMW M4 with all its cutting-edge tech? Can raw tuning really stand toe-to-toe with modern German engineering? Let's find out in today's epic race with MotorVista. Engines roar and the stage is set, with two legends representing completely different worlds of performance. On one side, the Diesel F82 M4, heavily modified with a stage-to-turbo, custom injectors, upgraded intercooler, performance exhaust, and the secret weapon, a nitrous oxide system that pushes this machine to over 520 horsepower and nearly 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, a monster that thrives on brute force and instant surge. On the other side, the modern G82 M4, packing a 3.0-liter twin-turbo straight-six, delivering 510 horsepower and 650 Newton-meters of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic with launch control and X-Drive all-wheel drive. A technological masterpiece weighing 1,725 kilograms and costing over 82,000 pounds new. The lights go out, tires scream, and the Diesel M4 instantly dumps torque to the tarmac, surging ahead with explosive force, rolling coal as Nitrous kicks in. But the modern G82 doesn't back down, its power band climbing smoothly and relentlessly, pulling hard and narrowing the gap at higher speeds. The crowd is on edge as they fly past the quarter mile, the Diesel edging it by just a fraction of a second, a shocking twist that proves raw tuning can rival modern precision. But this is far from over-rolling races. Begin at 50 miles per hour. First in comfort mode, where the G82 shows its smooth power delivery, clawing back control, and then in manual mode, where gear shifts are timed perfectly, the nitrous-fed diesel once again pulling savagely past, leaving everyone stunned. The atmosphere heats up as both cars push harder, with rematches demanded by the drivers, and even a brake test thrown in where the G82's modern systems prove superior, stopping in a shorter distance and showing why new tech has its edge. But in raw acceleration, that Diesel M4 continues to shock the crowd, delivering times under 12 seconds, something nobody expects from a diesel coupe. The finale arrives, one last side-by-side race, nitrous purged, tires warm, launch control prime. Both cars shoot forward, neck and neck, revs screaming and torque surging, the G82 inching ahead by a whisker at the line in a photo finish that has the crowd roaring. And that's the story here, a battle between tradition and innovation, tuning and technology, showing that even an older diesel with the right upgrades can stand shoulder to shoulder with the latest M4. So, the question remains, which would you choose? The tuned diesel beast with nitrous, or the refined modern powerhouse? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to MotorVista for more drag races, reviews, and battles that push cars to their absolute limits.